Okay. Alright, y'all. We at my customer's house. We got this RAV4. She definitely needs some help. You see, like, all of that stuff. Inside, a lot of dog hair. The back's actually the cleanest. It's crazy. Not bad. We about to get started. But this is the same customer with the Mustang. You see it right there. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at it shining. So beautiful. But we'll probably do the headlights just cause. And a trim restoration. But let's get to it. Something that's not already like at least 60 times better. Yeah, yes, sir. All right. Okay. I got that right. All these, yeah. Good deal. I think if you polish it, you probably get it out. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so you can see how the trim looks pretty bad. I mean, it gives the car a whole different appearance, to be honest. So we're gonna do a trim restoration. We're gonna use Meguiar's hybrid ceramic restore. See how it goes. I'm not gonna do that side, so you'll see like what it looks like from this side. Totally different car. Alright, you can already look at the car and tell the difference. Like, if you look at the front half, that side of the car looks pretty good. I mean, minus all that, but the exterior of it looks pretty good. And then this side, you see like the faded trim. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the whole car, and we'll see how she looks. Alright, so I finished restoring all of the trim. You can take a look at it now. I mean, I'm telling you, it looks like a whole different car. Back's all done. Watermark. Sides done. Looks very good. And obviously the front is done. I need to do it to this damn car too. But